some leaves are falling on my head, fool. What's up, guys? Welcome back to this video. Y'all let me know how y'all like that new video introduction. The little video that played before. My sister Lacey made that one. I'm gonna put the link to her YouTube channel in the description. I also made a Facebook page for the YouTube channel. So if y'all would go like and subscribe, if y'all would go like that page so y'all can get updates and never miss an update whenever I post one. I'm also gonna put the link to that one in the description if I can. I'm still new to this, so I really don't know how to work links. I'm pretty sure you hold tab, hit copy, paste. I'm sure it's something like that, but we're gonna see. Boys and girls. So yesterday I got bored. I was like, what? Let's go rake the yard, boy. Let's go put some leaves in a pile, son. So that's what I did. Watch. I only did half the yard. I blew it with the leaf blower, and then I raked most of it into a pile. And I was like, oh, let's just forget about this side of the yard. But anyway, that's not what this video is about. This video is about this big nasty green bottom strip of the wall right here. That was all green like that. I already started. I was like, oh, let me see some before and after. I started right here. They still have green right there. That's the best I could do because I'm only using, I think, 1,000 psi or 900 psi the electric pressure washer. And I don't have any mean green or bleach or any kind of thing. I'm just straight up taking it and, you know, trying to force it to come off. Let me see. I'm gonna get the best that I could. See, I made that shiny again. I'm gonna go ahead and spray off most of it. I'm gonna cut it like in half and then like do the bottom. See how it comes out. So yes sir. See, look, that's the pressure washer. I'm using the Hypertub 1500 psi 1.2 GMP, whatever that's supposed to mean. I don't know what the GMP means. So yes sir. All right, boy. Go ahead and see what it'll do. Pretty. Yes, sir. So it didn't do that bad. It took a lot of it off, but there's still a lot like stained, the brick stained. Something like that. I probably need to get some bleach, something, some kind of chemical to go ahead and kill all this off. A lot of it stained and stuff, so go ahead and put your mugs up on a time lapse to get old air or however long it takes. Put on a time lapse and tell me. Well, now, tell me what y'all think of it. Alright, boys, I don't know how fast or how slow my time lapse was, or I don't know how long it even was. For sure it's fast because it's a time lapse. But this is up close how it came out with just the pressure washer, nothing on it. I'm gonna come back and re-see if I can get this right here. And I do have to do this part, but that's a big difference from that old poo-poo brown to, you know, to the lighter. Some bricks are still green, but did what I can with what I got, homie. I cut this wall and my brain into 2 halves. I did 1. All right, see that? That's it. That's a line, and that's part 2. So I'm gonna go ahead and see how I can do it right here. Yes, sir. Alright, boys and girls, that's how that side came out. Still got some green. Not 100% clean or nothing, but it is a lot better than what it was. I'm about to get some mean green or something, but not bad for this little spray over. Not bad at all. So I'm gonna go down to the other side. By the way, I did just the bottom. I didn't do all that. I want to see if I can get most of the green off the bottom of the house. So it's not bad. I mean, compared to this, that old green to all that on the bottom, yeah, 100% better. All right, homies. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. I'm gonna try to clean this one-handed while recording. Let's see how I'll do. Not bad, not bad. Oops, just whack that down on the ground. Well, that's better than it was. That old green to the almost kind of clean looking brick. A lot better. So thank you guys for watching this video. Like I said in the beginning of the video, y'all don't forget to go like that new Facebook page. About that, I haven't 100% decided how I'm gonna do it on there, and I'm gonna be putting updates on there of when I'm starting to edit and about when the videos gonna be posted, because the last video I had was like 30 minutes long and stuff like that, and it took my phone's data and the Wi-Fi connected a really long time to post. It took me 3.5 days to post the video. I left my phone with the tab open on Facebook. I left the tab open on my chimney where the Wi-Fi little extender is at for the thing could go ahead and upload. I left it up there for a day and a half, barely played on my phone. I just send streaks and stuff like that because I want the video to hurry up and get out to y'all as soon as possible. So let's see. Today's Tuesday, November 16th, I think. The 16th, something like that. But y'all should be getting the video. Say by Thursday. I should have it by Thursday. So yeah, the Facebook page. I'm probably gonna post the videos on there too. So I have the videos on Facebook and the videos on YouTube. But they're gonna be on YouTube first. Once they're on YouTube, then I post them on Facebook like a day later. So thank you guys for watching this video. Tell me how y'all liked it. Hopefully this one was shorter than 30 minutes long, because apparently I like videos shorter than the longer ones. So see you guys later. Peace.